Hey friends, in the world of making, and I guess that's a new term that I've not really ever used before, but I guess I'm a maker. You have a few different things that's going to help you out. One of those things is a laser. Now this is kind of like a CNC laser, gantry laser, whatever you want to call it. But this one's from MechPal. This is the X3 Pro 5-watt output laser. Now it's 60 watts in, 5 watts out. Now, this is really good for engraving, so you're going to be able to do a lot of really cool stuff with it. You just got to be able to utilize a computer, a program that can drive this. There's GBRL, there's a few other different, like Lightburn, other programs you can use. But if you want to make really cool stuff, well, you're going to need one of these. So today, I'm going to be going over a couple cool things that you can do with this, how to use it, and then some of the features of it as well. So my name is Brent. This is Live Free and Tool On. Thanks for tuning in. Here we go. So let's go over a few things about this particular laser. This is your actual laser. This is the gantry that goes over top of it. These are the rails that go up and down. Now whenever you buy this laser, you also have the option to buy the cutting bed. You always want a cutting bed. These are so extremely valuable. You just really got to get them. You have things that you can hold them down with and all that great stuff. But if you're going to invest in one of these, a bed is what you want. Now, going over the little control panel here, you have your on and off. You have your reset if you need to reset the machine. Emergency stop. Press that down in order to reset it. You're just going to turn it. It's going to pop back up. You're going to be good. Alarm, light and sound, USB, power input, pretty simple. But simple's what we really want. Now, if we take a look at our program here, let's just go ahead and take a look around. This is GRBL, not GBR. I always do GBR, but it's GRBL. It's Gerbil. And I use this a lot, and it helps out so much and a lot of really cool stuff that I make. So first thing that we want to do is we want to import a picture, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, here we go. All right, now you have a couple different things. Whenever you open this up, you can do line-to-line tracing. That's what I'm going to do. You can vectorize it. Vectorizing is where you actually cut it, but line-to-line tracing, you have all of your options here. I'm not going to go over all the options right now, but just know that you have a lot of options here that you can use. You can do all your quality settings, but for now, let's just get through. And I want to make this wide. I want to make it 80 millimeters wide. It's going to be 93 high. So let's go ahead and create. It's working. Okay, and that's what we are going to be burning with today. Now, what we really need to do is start taking a look at the laser itself and how it's going to work. So let's go ahead and turn it on. All right, so it is on. Now we need to connect it. We're just going to go up here. Connect. It is connected. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your outline is good. So let's go ahead and do that. Now this is going to trace it. It's not actually throwing any power into the laser. We're just seeing where the lines are actually at. And I know I want to pull this up and over just a little bit. All right, let's do it again. Make sure we're centered. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, that's where we want to be. Okay. All right, that's perfect. All right, so now we need to make sure we have the right spacing. So I'm going to throw the spacer that comes with it on top of there. We're going to lower the laser down on top of it, pick it up just a little bit so it has clearance. Make sure that your table is very level. Okay, so we're going to take that off. Now, you have to use your goggles. These are special goggles so that the lasers do not hurt your eyes when you look at them. You need to make sure you have great ventilation as well. So we're going to get the ventilation started, and then we're going to turn this thing on. Here we go. So you never want to look at this with your naked eye. You can see the opening, but you can see how it's burning. And there's some really great dynamic power going on here too. All right, you can see it's cutting. It's using that. And check this out. This is what it looks like. You can see that dynamic power already starting to show through. We're filming with a protective lens there, but look at this. Oh man, this thing is turning out awesome. I can't believe the details that this laser is actually getting. Here, take a look at this. Look at that right there. Doesn't that just paint a really good picture? This is awesome. You can see the fine details in just about everything through here. You know, this is an awesome picture. The reason why is because my dad actually drew this picture. This is of outlaw Josie Wales. Look at how good this looks. Look at that. Does that not blow your mind that a laser just did that? Now this is compressed cardboard right here, so you get really constant grain and probably the best type of shading that you can have. But look at how good that looks. So I've always been under the misconception that using lasers is a hard thing, because it's really not. Whenever you get this, it comes in a package, and it's actually really easy and straightforward to put together. So check this out. Whenever I'm putting this together, you can see that everything just kind of fits there almost intuitively. It has instructions. You have all the parts and all the pieces that you actually need to put this together. And whenever you put it together, it just fits. Now with this aluminum, it's lightweight as well, and all the hardware, it's really just built into it. And that's really all there is to putting this together. Now, I will say it'll take you about 30 minutes in order to do it. Make sure that you do it on a level surface, because you want everything to be level and plumb. Make sure that your traction on the wheels and everything is good as well. But they give you all the tools that you need in order to build this. And, well, really, it's just a Phillips and a couple little Allen wrenches. And once you're done, well, all you got to do is hook it up. Now, you can get the free software online, watch a few YouTube videos. You'll learn how to do it in probably less than 20 minutes, and then you're off to the races. You're able to make really cool portraits just like this one. You'll be able to do a lot of stuff with it. Now, with everything being said, if you are interested in this, why don't you head down below in the description and go check it out for yourself. I don't think that you're going to be disappointed. Everybody, I hope that this inspired you to get out there and to do something, to try something new, because when you try something new, well, you're building more of your personality, you're building value in yourself, and that's what you really want to be doing. You want to build your skills and to be able to do really cool stuff and things that are meaningful. Now, with that being said, you are going to make some mistakes, and that's okay, because making mistakes is all a part of growing and learning and doing things that you're not used to doing. And then when you are used to doing it, you'll be able to teach someone else so they don't make the same mistakes. And with that being said, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And the biggest thing is, please share the video. If you share the video, this could help somebody that may be looking to get into lasers, and this may be the laser for them. And until next time, my name is Brent. Again, this is Live Free and Tool On. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.